Hey guys, so I was just opening a package and I was doing a little unboxing for Instagram, but I figured since I couldn't find any reviews on these on YouTube, let me go ahead and put a review on YouTube so, maybe you guys won't have trouble like I did. Now, I mainly wanted to record this because I originally ordered these in a 6 because the half sizes were they were still being made, so they were shipping out later. But of course, the 6 was too small. I went ahead and went up to a size 7, and the 7 fits perfectly. Just because Gucci, Louis, all that, you really do need to go up a size. So I ended up going up a half size instead of a full size. A full size, I would have went up to a 7.5. But I went up a half size and it was perfect. So this is how they look. And they legit fit perfect. So if you're thinking, should you go up a whole size or a half size, go up a half size. I'm usually a size 6.5. I went up to a 7. I ordered the 6 by mistake. But yeah. This is what they look like. It's the brown with the red G's. And the G's are resin. It's imprinted, but it's resin, so you can like feel it with your fingers. And the buckle detailing is both silver and gold, so it will match both silver and gold accessories. So yeah, these are what they look like. Probably not gonna get a chance to wear those this summer, but I'll be ready for next summer. I love them. And this is what they look like. They have the black detailing for the sole of your foot and the black detailing right here at the thong part. And then of course black on the bottom as well. And then red right here. So yeah, this is a 37. But I love them. They're so cute. I even like this better than the old style, and I really thought I liked the old style better, but I'm feeling the new style.